Booking your appointment online at Invictus Barber Shop is fast, easy, and convenient. Click on Book an Appointment. Select all the services you need. Select your barber. You can also select the option Any Available. Choose the date and time that works best for you. Fill out your information. Add payment information to reserve your appointment. Your card will not be charged when booking the appointment. Read our cancellation policy and click on Book Appointment. You will receive the confirmation with your appointment details by text message and email. Check if everything is correct, services reserved, barber, date, and time, and keep this message in case you need to cancel or reschedule your appointment. If you didn't receive the confirmation, your appointment was not reserved. We will send you reminders by text message and email when your appointment is coming up. Arrive 10 minutes early before your appointment and check in at the front desk. Enjoy a fresh coffee or beer and play pool while you wait for your barber. If you need help scheduling online or if there are no appointments available, call us for assistance at 954-588-8051.